Hi you guys. So today I'm going to show you the things that are in my Lush Kitchen December subscription box. This is the December 2020 subscription box. It says Happy Holidays, and when you turn it around it shows you the products that are in there. So take them out and show you. So we've got the Hot Toddy Shower Gel. It's a really popular shower gel. Lush started making this around maybe 2008 or so, and the previous incarnations of the Lush Kitchen have made this many times. And this is the first time it's been made in the new Lush Kitchen subscription box. This is a very spicy fragrance. It's spicy with clove and cinnamon. Let me read the ingredients. It's got fresh ginger root as its first ingredient. And it's got aloe vera gel. It's got fresh lemon juice, fine sea salt, cinnamon leaf oil, clove leaf oil, lime oil, orange oil, and patchouli oil. And this is, it doesn't say it's suitable for vegans. The expiration date here is 2022. And this is a rust red color gel with some gold mixed throughout. I don't know if you can see the gold there. There's gold inside the shower gel. And it's about medium thin, medium consistency. And it smells like the actual drink called Hot Toddy that's made during the winter time. It's spicy and nice and somewhat sweet with cinnamon. So that's Hot Toddy Shower Gel. And this is the medium 250 gram size. And next is the Jingle Spells Bath Bomb. Jingle Spells is an old discontinued bath bomb that Lush used to sell every winter, every Christmas, between Halloween and Christmas. And it was actually sold in 2001, 2002, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then Lush made new things to sell for the holidays, and so they stopped selling Jingle Spells, but it's still very much loved today. All of these products in this box were voted amongst a total of 9 things, and so Hot Toddy and Jingle Spells won. This is made with tangerine, ylang-ylang, and fennel. So it's got kind of a fruity, licorice kind of a scent. I love it. It also has gold stars inside the bath bomb, and it makes a beautiful purple water. So that's Jingle Spells. Next is the Smitten hand cream. Smitten hand cream is made in the snow cake scent, the Lush popular snow cake scent. This is a very thick one, and it's a play on the words mitten, and there's also a word called smitten, meaning when you're infatuated with someone. It's very thick. It smells like almond paste or marzipan. It's made with German chamomile and marigold petal infusion, fair trade cocoa butter, organic jojoba oil, avocado oil, fair trade elite butter, extra virgin coconut oil, organic linseed oil, wheat germ oil, benzoin, and rose absolute. So it smells kind of like marzipan, kind of Some people say it smells like Play-Doh. It smells a little bit more fragrant than that to me. So this is a bit thick and heavy. It's very occlusive, but it's good for the winter time for people that have like dry, chapped hands. So that's Smitten. And that's the small size of Smitten. Next is the Christmas Eve Bubble Bar. And this one was made in about 2006 to 2010 or 11. And then it was discontinued for Christmas. Actually, they brought it back, I think, in 2014 and 15. And this has a lovely floral scent. It's made with ylang-ylang and jasmine. You guys know I'm very picky about my jasmine scents, but this is quite beautiful. And there was a bath bomb for Christmas called Northern Lights, and that was made in the same scent as this, in case you're familiar with how that smells. It smells the same, and it makes a lovely deep blue colored water, and it's supposed to look like the night sky for Christmas Eve. Got a gold moon and star there. I can't wait to use this one. It's going to make the bath water a deep blue with a bunch of white bubbles. And then lastly, the one exclusive product in this box is the Snow Fairy Body Scrub. Lush has never made Snow Fairy Body Scrub, and it was only made and created for this subscription box. It says, ready for sweet candy floss scented buffing to lift you onto cloud 9. This is made of fresh sea salt and cherry infusion. Cherry, I love cherry. And Persian lime oil and synthetic musk. This is suitable for vegans. This is made in the Snow Fairy scent, of course, which is kind of a pink, sweet, Christmassy shower gel scent. Lush has made a lot of products in the Snow Fairy scent. I would say about 20 or more products with the Snow Fairy scent. And this is a salt scrub. You can see that it has large chunks of salt in it, and it's a lovely color of pink, and it smells so good. It's got that Snow Fairy scent, but then this little pop of cherryish scent. It smells really nice. So I can't wait to use the Snow Fairy scrub in my shower today. So those are the products in the Lush Kitchen December 2020 subscription box. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.